Last time we make that Sony VTC4 7S10P 14AH 383 watt hour battery pack, very perfect battery pack. So today we will increase the capacity to add more Sony VTC4 cells, 3 cells in pair, 7 in series. So how to correctly add that cells into the previous battery pack to increase the capacity with the correct way. So let's get started. The most important thing to upgrade the capacity or battery pack, you must have the previous data of the packs. So I have a complete record of that battery pack when I build that battery pack. So if you don't have that data, the previous data of the battery pack, so you will be disassemble the entire battery pack and re-enter data into the repacker.com, and it will be a very difficult and very long lasting again. So to save the time, you must have a data of your battery pack. So here I have the all 7 cells data. So that is previously 14.819 watt hour in 383 watt hour in total capacity. So I have that new cells which I first test completely independently, each cell, their capacity, internal resistance, temperature, charge discharge test, and after that I enter that all cells data into the repacker.com and generate the 7S 3 pack battery pack. So when it's generated, so we have a new data of the each pack. So that is the new data of that new cells, the new battery pack which we will add on here. So that is the most important thing. So we get total 5.362 Ah, the capacity 138 watt hour we will add on into that battery pack. So the parameters are very simple and easy to understand. The higher capacity to the lower, and then from higher to lower again. So here we have that the capacity of the old one 14820, and then we add that 5382. So that is our first pack like a 0, and it will be add on to the 0. So from where it will be add on, you can add it onto the top or you can add it onto the bottom. No, you must have to start it from the top, because your cell's new capacity is slightly higher, so you have to start from the top. That you must have to remember. So here I add it ready, and now I will disassemble the insulation. I will remove the insulation, and then we will add the holders, and we will fix the cells onto the top, because the positive side is always the higher cells on the top, the higher cells capacity on the top, and they are a higher capacity too, just only 3 pairs. So we will disassemble from that side, and we will add cells to that side. The negative pole we take the end of the battery, and the positive we will take it from the top of the cell, so it will have almost good resistance, like from bottom is negative, from top is positive. So our final upgrade is complete. That was before 7s 10p, and now we add 3 pairs more, so total now is 7s 13p. Before was 14ah, now is 20ah. It's a 522 watt hour battery according to the data sheet, and we will check the discharge capacity of this one, and then the final insulation we can make it if we need it. If not, no need, we can just put into some nice casing. And that is the 7s 1 ampere active balancer, very good. And here is the 7s 20 ampere BMS, so that is perfect. So this battery can handle 500 watt continuous because of the BMS is 20 ampere, and we will plug into our solar system and we will check it. So that was a Sony VTC4 18650 lithium ion upgrade the battery pack. Thank you.